One way of representing a number in C is by using the integer type variable. In order to declare an integer type variable, we type in int and then a variable name. We'll call it C and use a semicolon. In order to instantiate this variable C, we type C equals and then any number. Let's say my number is 42. This should not be encapsulated within any single quotes or double quotes because this represents a number, neither a character nor a string. Also to note that every single integer variable has a storage allocation of 4 bytes in the memory. That means that it can store values from negative, it's around 2.14 billion. It's from negative 2.14 billion to 2.14 billion positive. In order to print an integer to the command line, use the printf method, 2 parentheses and a semicolon. And inside double quotes, we type %d, and then inside the argument we give C. %d doesn't exactly represent that we are printing an integer to the terminal, but that should do the trick for now. Save this. Now if we run it in the terminal, first compile it, and then we run it. This is the value of our integer 42, printed to the terminal.